Hello everyone, I am Priyanka, Umika Kedia's mother. As it is a rainy day, so I decided to make something healthy food. As it is, we can also say it unhealthy because I am going to fry it. Okay, I am making a stuffed parval. That is, we also call stuffed pointed gourd. Now I have already boiled parval and I made a spicy mixture of onion and potato. It is with ginger, garlic and all the spices which you have. And now I am going to make a smooth batter of besan. I'll make a batter and put it for rest for a while. I've just given one pressure on in this parval to make it soft. Still our consistency is bit thick. I have to give more water in it. And about a spoon of oil to make it a bit crispy. We also can eat parval with rice. It, it tastes delicious when we eat something crunchy with rice. Putting oil in a batter makes it this silky and shiny. Still, I think you have to put a pinch of water in it. The mixture of this potato and onion, I have to make a bit spicy. I've made a bit spicy so that it tastes good. I'll put a pinch of salt as we prepare in this batter and a bit of baking soda. I'll mix the batter very properly and let it rest for about 2 minutes. By the time I'm going to fill the pointed gourd with the mixture which I have made, spicy mixture. By the time my oil is getting hot, which I have put on my pan, I've already marinated the parval with spices and made it rest for a while. And now I'm putting the mixture in it. My daughter doesn't eat pointed gourd, but if I make something spicy like this, which tastes crunchy, whatever is crunchy, she starts eating it. So some or the other day, which I have lots of time, when I have lots of time, I make these kinds of food. Even my husband also loves this food. I'm going to fill this mixture. We have to keep a point in mind that the mixture which we are filling in this pointed gourd, it's not too much as it will come out when we fry it. So as I have already marinated it and got one pressure in this pointed gourd, it has already been soft. So okay, now I am going to put this in the pan. My oil is already being heated, as you can see. Just in order to check my oil whether it's cooked hot or not, I'm just going to see. Yes, it's already hot. So now I am going to marinate this parwal with the besan paste, and I am going to fry it. Generally we eat it with rice, and it looks tasty when the weather is cool or something, or the rainy day. Nobody prefers to eat it as a potato. Everybody prefers to eat with crunchy potato and onion pakoras. At a time we are going to make a three and keep it for the other. We'll deep fry it in a medium flame until it becomes crispy and light brown. We also can make this as filling it in big green chilies. It tastes spicy and delicious, and we can also eat as a bread pakoda. We can also stuff this mixture with bread pakoda or make aloo chop. But just to give a healthy version, I have taken parwal. As you can see, it is going to be a light brown in color, and it is fully properly cooked and being. Along with this, I have made a spicy green chili chutney, with the pudina and coriander, and also have taken two green chilies, ginger in it, to make give a spicy tangy taste, so that it tastes yummy. See, it's being cooked. Just one more minute it will take. I'm cooking it more so that it becomes crunchy. It's already done. Now I'm going to take it out. You have to make sure that we are not filling the pointed gourd with lots of the masala we have made. Otherwise, the when we are giving it in oil, it might burst out. And one more thing, that the oil should be hot first. Later we can cook it in medium flame. Now I am going to cut it in slanting. It's quite hot. Here I have made a plate. I hope you like this yummy, delicious, crunchy, pointed gourd, often we call as parwal, and my daughter loves it too. Thank you.